What's happening? Yiggity yiggity YouTube. What's going down? Alright, so I really don't know where to start, but I guess I'll just say I got a GS400. I'm just working on tricking it out and doing some custom stuff with it. I took out the headliner, I took out the sunroof piece, I took out the visors, all this stuff, and I wanted to paint it black. But I'm also doing the like the Royce starlights in it. But first I gotta paint, so I've prepped everything. I've taped off the stuff that I don't want to be black. I'm gonna be using the Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint. I've seen it a couple times online. Shout out to all you guys who've already used this and it's worked out. I should tag your channels below, but I can't really remember all the videos that I watched and seen, but I guess I'll do that after. But anyways, I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully the results turn out good. If not, I'll just try something else, but I'm about to do a light coat. Can't really tell how this is going to turn out with this first coat. The panels are even, sprayed them pretty even, but the whole headliner, it looks a little spotty. But I think if I do 2 more coats on the headliner, I'll be good. Second coat looking good, baby. On this coat, I decided to try to even out more stuff. I actually adjusted the lighting too over the top so it can be, so I can see like the problem areas and stuff. So far I'm pretty happy. It's coming out good. It's not as dark as I thought it would be, but that's actually a good thing. It's like a light gray. So on this last time around, I'm probably gonna. Actually, I'm pretty good with where it's at. I'm gonna have it a little bit darker, so I'm gonna just do one more coat, one more light coat. What's up, guys? Here we are, day 2, painting all this interior trim and all this stuff. So I decided to bring the stuff outside. It's not bad. It just needs, I don't know, it just needs some touch-ups. I keep trying to spray over it to make it, perfect, but it's not really getting there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry again. And yeah, actually, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna see what it looks like, and hopefully, the end result will look fine. But this is where we're at. Shout out to you painters, man. My prep work was crap, so this is my results. Not terrible, but not the best either. So. What's up, guys? Doing my best to give you guys updates on me with this LED and paint build. Let's see, so far I've gotten half of the sunroof done, so I'm about to do the other half. It just takes so much time. I split it up into 4 individual sections. The first section took me like 30 to 35 minutes, the other one took about 40 minutes. So I'm about to do these next 2, probably gonna be an hour. With both, so it's gonna be an hour. So it's just gonna get the tacking and threading and get it done. So hopefully I can at least do the roof tonight. We'll see. sunroof. Pretty much wrapped up. Extremely tired, but let's get this set up, see what it looks like. Alright, so I think my next course of action is gonna be to add to the stars, add a few more on the edges. Y'all can't really tell, but right now it's not enough towards the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to add some more. So we got the lights in the sunroof. They look good. Everything is how I wanted it to be, as best as I can get it. So that's good. Now I have a new dilemma. So I need to figure out how to be able to put the lights on the headliner. Now, pretty much what's gonna have to happen is, let me turn this camera. I'm gonna take the rest of these that are not plugged into this whole ordeal over here, and then I'm gonna put them onto the headliner. And then after that, I'm going to make sure they all come back together and rewrap this together. So unwrapping, I'm back in focus. Unwrapping, take these out, put these on the headliner, and then couple them back together and rewrap. So hopefully that goes well. We'll see. Stay tuned. About to head over to my boy Danny's house. I've got the wire here. I know it's dark. Hold on, let me turn on this light. I've got the wire running for the sunroof there, but I'm about to go over here to see how I'm gonna wire the power and where I can put it, because I'm running out of okay. Anyways, I'm running out of length with this cord, so with this wire. So I'm gonna go over here and see what I can do with him. He's got a little more expertise in this car stuff than me, actually a lot more. So now I got the wires ran. Now it's time to get the power for the box that actually runs the lights, which is this box right here. This little box right here, I got the screws off because this is actually made to be used in a power wall outlet, but we're gonna rewire it so that it can fit in my fuse box, so when I turn the car on, the lights come on. So that's that. So, you know, one step at a time. This is gonna be the wire we use to run it. So that's the wire. This is, so we're gonna cut them two, the red and the black, and then solder it onto this. Test it out, run it, and be good. I said this before, but I split it up into 4 sections. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. This section, I got about 45 holes on each side, and then on the back I think I did about 15 or so. So I'm trying to make it like as if it's gonna fade out, you know. So lesser lights in the back 2 panels, way more in the front 2. So far we got 1 section done, so about to do this section. Alright, I'm getting excited now. We're getting somewhere. I put in the headliner. I forgot to put in these pieces that go along the headliner, so I'm gonna take it back down. But I just put it in, and man, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. My energy is high now because I've been working on this so long, but now I'm finally getting somewhere. I just tested the panel right here, putting up this panel here. Putting up this panel, everything fits. So literally the wires are running up through here. Up through, hold on, sorry. This is harder than it looks doing this. Okay. Yeah, so the wires are ran through this panel up through here. So yeah, I gotta clip all the ends off of those. I don't know if y'all can see, but anyways, yeah, the wires ran. This is my power wire, power and ground wire right here. I got it running under the seat right here, and it's going all the way across, and then under the carpet right here, under the carpet all along the side up to there. So I gotta tuck that wire, and I gotta put the ground back in. The ground fell out, so there's something in my hair. I got glue in my hair. Okay. Anyways, I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so I did add some extra lighting in that footage with my big light right here. But this is what it looks like. Let me see, let me close my roof. Close the roof here. This here look what it looks like when I'm driving down the road. You know what I'm saying? Where's my remote? Got my remote in my pocket. Can do all the color changing and all that good stuff. You know. Yeah, the only thing about it is it's not as bright as I wanted it to be. Maybe I got to get more lights, or try another light engine. But I mean, it's cool. I've been riding around with it for probably about 3 weeks now. I'm satisfied. I just wish it was brighter, but it's cool. Would I recommend this if you're doing this by yourself? Maybe. If you buy the longer fiber optics cords, mine are very short, and I had to cut a hole in my trunk just so I could reach. So if you buy the right amount of length of cord to get it to your trunk, it should be fine. It's not a crazy install. It's just a lot of time involved, and a lot of bolts and stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. What else do I have to say? Yeah, you guys got any questions, let me know. Leave a comment down there. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I suck at vlogging and explaining this stuff, but it's one video at a time. I'm gonna get better and better, so stay tuned. One love.